Introducing the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine.
Connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Memory settings are just one of the extras. A vehicle history report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information, is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.